Capacity planning. It's the art of balancing supply and demand. Like a conductor coordinating an orchestra, businesses must orchestrate resources to meet consumer needs. Too few instruments, and the symphony falls flat. Too many, and costs spiral out of control. From the bustling factories of Shenzhen to the intricate network of Amazon warehouses, capacity planning is the invisible hand guiding production. It determines how many iPhones Apple can ship, how much data Google can store, and how quickly Amazon can deliver your latest impulse buy. In a world of relentless competition and razor-thin margins, efficient capacity planning is not just desirable, it's essential for survival. It's the difference between a thriving enterprise and a fading memory. For decades, businesses relied on tried-and-true methods for capacity planning. These techniques, often based on historical data and statistical analysis, served as reliable compasses in a less volatile world. One such method is trend analysis. By examining past data, businesses attempt to extrapolate future demand. Imagine a local bakery analysing past croissant sales to estimate how many to bake next week. While simple, this method struggles to account for sudden shifts in customer behaviour. Another common approach is capacity utilisation analysis. This involves assessing the current output of resources against their maximum potential. Picture a factory floor. How many widgets can each machine produce per hour? This method, however, often falls short in dynamic environments with fluctuating demand. While these traditional methods offer valuable insights, they are often akin to navigating a complex maze with a rudimentary map. They provide a general sense of direction, but lack the granularity and flexibility to navigate unexpected twists and turns. Enter the world of simulation, where digital twins of real-world systems allow us to experiment with different scenarios and explore their potential outcomes. No longer confined to the limitations of physical constraints, businesses can now test the limits of their operations in a risk-free virtual environment. Manufacturing and process simulation software have emerged as powerful tools, enabling companies to model their entire production process, from the arrival of raw materials to the final product rolling off the assembly line. Imagine a car manufacturer simulating the impact of a new robotic arm on production speed and quality control. These simulations empower businesses to identify bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and anticipate potential disruptions before they occur in the real world. It's like having a crystal ball, albeit one rooted in data and algorithms, offering a glimpse into the myriad possibilities of the future. By embracing simulation, businesses can move from reactive problem-solving to proactive planning, making decisions based on data-driven insights rather than gut feelings or outdated assumptions. Section 4. Simulation versus tradition, a head-to-head comparison. Let's compare these two approaches, shall we? Traditional methods, like seasoned veterans, offer simplicity and familiarity. They're easy to understand and implement, requiring minimal investment in technology or specialized expertise. Simulation, on the other hand, is the new recruit bursting with potential. It offers unparalleled depth and granularity, allowing businesses to model complex systems and interactions with remarkable accuracy. However, simulation demands a greater investment in software, training, and data analysis. Think of a small bakery using trend analysis to forecast bread demand. This approach might suffice for their daily operations. Now imagine a global coffee chain like Starbucks using simulation to optimize its supply chain from bean to cup across thousands of stores worldwide. The choice between traditional methods and simulation ultimately depends on the specific needs, resources, and risk appetite of each business. Yet, as technology advances and the business landscape grows increasingly complex, simulation is poised to become an indispensable tool for any organization seeking to thrive in the 21st century. Section 5. Gazing into the future. Forecasting and the evolving landscape of simulation. As we venture further into the digital age, the line between simulation and reality will continue to blur. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are poised to supercharge simulation capabilities, enabling even more accurate and insightful predictions. In the next video, we'll explore the fascinating world of forecasting. We'll delve into how simulation can be used to predict future trends, anticipate market disruptions, and make decisions with greater confidence. Imagine a world where businesses can foresee shifts in consumer behavior, anticipate supply chain bottlenecks, and adapt to changing market dynamics with remarkable agility. But for now, I leave you with a few questions to ponder. What are the biggest capacity planning challenges facing your industry? How can simulation help your organization overcome these hurdles and achieve a competitive edge? The answers, like the cosmos itself, are waiting to be explored.